So this rosé, it's Grenache syrah. We are standing here in the syrah vineyard where we pick up the grapes. Everything hand harvest, no herbicides, no pesticides, organic certified, hand harvest in the perfect moment of ripeness. This vineyard is the one that it's the closest to the winery, and we planted it in 2007. For me, the rosé, this very fuchsia color, it's a rosé very nice to pair with food. So it's a rosé, a very gastronomical rosé. You can pair with meats and fishes. In summer, it's very nice because it has volume, it has freshness. You can serve at 12, 14 Celsius degrees, so a little bit cooled down. And it's very satisfying, and it has this sexiness in it because it's very fresh, and it has this notes of black and red fruits in it.